Hello guys, Pranjal with you. This is a short tutorial video of how to install Shortcut Video Editor. Many of you are asking that any software, that lightweight software that can run on my PC easily on a potato PC, and we can do a good editing from it. So Shortcut is a great option for those people who want to do lightweight video editing. So let's get to our screen. So here in the screen you can see that I have just opened Chrome tab. What you all have to do is that just type here shortcut. Oh, shortcut video editor. That's all. The very first link that came when you search shortcut video editor, just you have to open that link and just scroll down. You can see how many types of various types of versions are there in this area. You can see various type of versions and different things, how to export or import video, or what type of video you can edit on it, and what format can be edited. And so just you have to click on here, that click to download. Yeah, you will get this interface. When you will get this interface, you can also check out, hold down the menu, that what is given. One thing, you should always check the whole website, because there are many times the download links are given upside, and many times are given down at the very bottom of the website, and on the top of website they add that show download, and when you click them, they just privacy, boom boom. So you can download any window installer or window portable zip. I'm installing this. This shows like this. I will install it on my desktop only. Yeah, and guys can see that it's getting download 12 to 13 second. So we will wait for it and let it download. So guys, it has downloaded. Now we just have to install this. I have installed already this software, but I'm again installing this because all of you. And yeah, I will store this software in my see, I have 256 GB of SSD and 160 GB of HDD. That HDD is very old, nearly 10-year old HDD. So Shortcut is a very lightweight software. You can run it on HDD even. So I will install it on my HDD. Yeah, next. Yeah, just you have to do remove old. Then if you are installing new file, then you will not get this option, remove all old files, means, because I have already installed that, was wanting to reinstall that software. So I will cancel it from here because my file will get lost. So this after this you will get folder on your desktop or wherever you have installed it, like this. And just what you have to do, just scroll. This is the application. Click on application. Yeah, it will run. Boom. See, if you guys all want to know how to use Shortcut, then make sure you comment down the video. So goodbye, meet you next time.